I'll be using 8 ropes made out of 2 crown knots, as you can see here. This is 4 and this is another 4, making 8. So I'll start from this side, taking the last one here and put it over the 3. Then I will put this one, the last cord here, roll it over this one time and do it again and pull it. I'll move to the next cord, as you can see, put it over one time and then do it again. Go to the next cord and do the same thing, over, out. Okay, when I'm done with that, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I take this one again and put it over these 2 and then roll. 1, 2. Move to the next cord, do the same thing. Then this one which sticks out, we'll do the same thing and roll it like we did for the other cords here. So take this one, put it over this, roll, second time. Then I'll move to the next cord, this one, and do the same thing I did on the 2 lines previously. Wait. I come to this one which sticks out and do the same thing. Roll twice. Okay, so I'm done with this side. I'll move over to the next side and do the exact same process this side. So I'll take the last cord here and put it over these 3. Then you start. This one, you roll again. You roll and roll again. You do the same thing for the last one. So as you can see, I'm done with the 2 sides and I have the same 4 ropes that I started with. So I am going to make a knot here using these 4 ropes, 2 from the edge of this side and 2 from the edge of this other side. Make sure the knot is firm. And then you pull the 2 in the middle, like this. So I'll do the